Welcome to Crypto and Gold Swing Trading for Busy Professionals. If you've ever wanted to trade Bitcoin or gold but felt like you simply don't have the time to watch the charts all day, you're in the right place. My name is Ravi, and over the past 10 years, I've refined trading strategies specifically designed for people with limited time yet big goals. Here's the good news. Swing trading does not require you to be glued to the screen. In fact, the strategies in this course can be executed with as little as 20 to 30 minutes of chart time a day. That means you can keep your job, run your business, or manage other commitments while still trading two of the most profitable markets in the world. Why focus on crypto and gold? Crypto, especially Bitcoin, offers unmatched volatility and opportunities, even outside traditional market hours. Gold remains the ultimate safe haven asset, often moving in predictable swing patterns. Together, they give us constant trading opportunities in all market conditions. In this course, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process, setting up your tools the right way, understanding how these markets move, mastering 5 proven swing trading strategies, managing your risk like a professional, and building a routine that works for your lifestyle. This is not theory. These are practical, repeatable setups you can apply immediately after finishing this course. So let's get started. In the next module, we'll explore how the crypto and gold markets actually behave and why understanding their unique price rhythms is the foundation for every profitable trade you'll make. I'll see you in the next lesson.